Meet the kakapo, the only flightless parrot on Earth.
For thousands of years, Kakapo had no natural predators, so it completely forgot how to be afraid.
Kakapos are nocturnal. Humans almost never saw them because they only come out at night. Fact 6.
Kakapos reproduce very slowly, sometimes only once every 2 to 4 years. By the 1990s, fewer than 50 kakapos were left alive on Earth. Bird is heading west, approximate coordinates marked. Looks healthy. The shocking truth: Kakapo didn't fail evolution, humans changed the rules too fast. An animal that survived nature but almost didn't survive us.